Hello friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to enable last seen on WhatsApp. So friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Okay, then here on the upside you'll find three dots, so you have to click on it. Here you have to click on setting. Then here is the account, so you have to click on it. Then here you have to click on privacy. Okay, and here you'll find the last seen. Okay, if you want to enable last seen, just click on any that you want to set for everyone or for my contact or for my contact exception. Okay, you just choose any that you want to set. Okay, exception or my contact. Okay, or everyone you can set like this. Okay, you can set your last seen, so click on done after you have been choose. So here you can set like this for last seen on WhatsApp. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.